Hello, welcome. This is Wes Hampton and John Bradshaw presenting the Heparin Advisor project for Team BananaDog. I wanted to give an update here for on the 31st of March. Just a project status, kind of meeting the Deliverable 3, showing a walkthrough of the partially functioning application. So we wanted to spend some time showing that. Briefly, we're going to just show a demo of the working app, talk a little bit about project status, and also what remains on the app. We will switch over. In this, we'll also talk about a little bit about the FHIR interface in Python, some scoring detail for the 4T score of the heparin-induced thrombocytopenia, and let's get into the app. Alright, so this is a view, this is our current design for the Heparin Advisor dashboard. The idea here is that a provider would load the app and based on their provider ID, it would query the FHIR server and retrieve the patients that have that provider listed as their general practitioner. And on this screen then would show their patients, and then in very clear marked colors would break down into the three categories for heparin-induced thrombocytopenia. So this is basically your high risk here. We've sorted them into the top, medium risk, and a low risk. And we'll talk a little more about the score and how that works in a minute. And the provider could get some key details here. And upon clicking on a patient, they'd also be able to see a little bit of an explanation about the score and provide a couple pieces of the score require some input from the provider as that data is not found in the FHIR data. So they'll be able to have ability to toggle some values here and the calculation will update. And I will pass it over to John who will continue.
Okay, yeah, so this is John. So we're about 2/3 of the way done with the project at this point. We have a partially working app that's pulling data from the FHIR server and displaying it, and it's deployed to the HDAP server as well. So basically, what we have left that we need to accomplish is, Wes, can you switch it back over to the app?
Absolutely.
So the only patient that we have right now that's actually pulling data from the FHIR server is Jackson Wang up there, and if you could click on him. So for this window here, the other sequelae and other causes are going to require patient input to calculate the HIT score, and so we need to work on setting up a bidirectional data flow where those inputs can be saved to a database and then recalled again on subsequent logins. And then the other things that we need to accomplish are adding more patient test data to the FHIR server so that we have a full page of patients to choose from as opposed to just one that's actually pulling data. All right.
That's great. And here is just a brief kind of finishing our project plan. As John mentioned, we're about 2/3 of the way through. And remaining here, we've got a couple more iterations left where we'll tackle the items that John just described. And we look forward to delivering a very successful project. Thank you.